Hello prep1. Today we are gonna answer some questions about the lessons we study in the science. The first question is choose. Number 1. In the solar heater, the solar energy is converted into the solar heater converts the solar energy into heat energy. Number 2. The color property is distinguish factor between we can distinguish between not and not by the color silver and gold. Number 3. The third energy level is saturated by we know that the first energy level is saturated by 2 electron, the second energy level is saturated by 8 electron, and the third is saturated by 18 electron. So the answer is 18. Number 4. A substance that's sold and can't be softened by heating. The substance that can't be softened by heating is the sulfur. Chemical energy can be stored in the chemical energy can be stored in the battery or the car battery. Number 6. The chemical activity of the element depends on the number of. If you want to know the chemical activity of the element, we should know the number of electrons in the outer energy level. So the answer is electron in the outer level. Number 7. An element has 2 electrons in the L level, so its atomic number is. If there is electrons in the L level, that means that the K level is filled with electrons, and the K is filled with 2 electrons, and the L has 2 electrons, so both of them has 4 electrons. So the number is, or the answer is 4. Number 8. All the following are active elements except, all of these are active elements except the argon. Number 9. Cooking pans are made up of, the cooking pan can made of B and C, aluminum and stainless steel. Complete the following. The liquid element, its molecule is composed of one atom is mercury, while the composed of 2 atoms is bromine. Heat is carried from the electric heater to our body by radiation and convection. Some solutions are good conductor of electricity as acidic solution and alkaline solution, while others are bad conductor of electricity as sugary solution. Number 4. Heat is transferred in gases by, the heat can be transferred in gas by convection, while it transfers in solid by conduction. Number 5. From the planets that has large leaves like the banana, and from the that has small leaves like ملوخية. Number 6. Electron have, the charge of the electron is negative charge, while the protons have positive charge. Number 7. A piece of metal, which the mass of it is 25 grams and its volume is 10 cubic centimeter, when it placed in the water. If you want to know what will do or what will happen if it placed in the water, you should know the density. The density equal mass over volume. The mass is 25 and the volume is 10. 25 over 10 equal 2.5, and the density of water is 1. So when we put the piece of metal in the water, it will sink because its density is more than the density of water. So the answer, it will sink. Correct the underlined word. The solar cell changes solar energy into, the solar cell is used to change the solar energy into electric energy. Number 2. Voyager is the first planet that reproduced by formation of The Fourier is used or it produced by formation of spores. Number 3, heat is transferred from the sun to the earth by radiation because there is a space between the earth and the sun. Number 4, banana that carries small sized leaves? No, it carries large sized leaf. A horse hoof is an example of? The horse hoof is an example of structure adaptation. Number 9, hydrogen is from the inert gas? No, hydrogen is active gas and the inert gas is like argon. Number 10, is the only liquid metal that molecules consists of one atom? The element or the metal that has one atom is mercury. Give reason. The motion of the children swung is like that of the pendulum. Why the motion of the children swung is like that of the pendulum? Because both of them is kinetic change and potential change, and the summation of them or the sum of them is mechanical energy. So the answer is both of them is a change of kinetic energy into potential energy, and the sum of them is the mechanical energy and it's a constant value. Number 2, the atom is electrically neutral because it has positive proton equal to the negative electrons. Number 3, the rule 2n to the power 2 is not applied on the energy level greater than 4 because when the electron is found in the fifth energy level, it becomes unstable. Number 4, would peas float on the water surface? Because the, the density of wood is less than the density of water, so it floats. Number 5, equal volume of different substances have different masses because the difference in density. The camel's legs end with broad pads to move in the hot desert sand. Some planets can't feed on insects, or some planets catch and feed on insects to get nitrogen to make protein, which is eat insect eaters or insectivores. The freezer is found at the top of the fridge to cold the air, so its density increase and fell down, and the hot air, which has lower density, raise up to be cold again. Number 9, the volume of mixture of water with alcohol is less than sum of their volume before being mixed together. Why the volume of alcohol and water mixture is less than their volume before being mixed together? Because some of alcohol molecules is disappear between the water molecules. That was our revision. Thank you for listening.